So the ladies seem to be going through a little hole in this concrete box, which is where the irrigation pumps are. So these girls are actually making a straight beeline, if you follow their path, out over that fence toward this Hong Kong orchid tree that's in bloom right now this time of year. It's got these nice big pink blooms that are attracting the ladies right now. You guys may be asking yourselves, Sam, why do you keep taping up everything rather than getting a full bee suit? Guys, I didn't buy the suit. It's a company given suit. And it's not a suit, it's just a jacket. And I don't like bees flying up my pants, so I tape my pants. I tape my gloves. Taping them does just as good a job. It's a little bit cheaper. Short term, but long term, I need to get a pair. I use the cheapest tape I can find. It's actually better if you use the cheap tape. After you've taped it, what you want to do is you want to go back and you want to fold it over itself. So you have a little nub like that. That's your pull nub, I guess you would call it. So if you need to get these off, it's really convenient to have this nub rather than searching and searching and then eventually giving up and just cutting the tape off. The only times I get stung through these pants is when I'm putting my body up against the fabric really taut. It's like my knees. I'll definitely get stung on my knees. But honestly, I get stung most on my thighs. For some reason. Maybe it's because I'm dummy thick. So I'm always open to trying new things. I'm still pretty new at this, and I really don't like getting stung through my hands. So I wear really thick leather gloves. So these are just heavy duty plastic gloves. Not that heavy duty, I guess. Oh well, we'll see. So you guys can see what we're dealing with. You can see where they built their wax all the way up flush with the lid up here. Looks like there might be a little bit of honey. We'll see. Wow. This hive, it goes down, down, down. They have waxed over the plumbing. Let's see where they put support foam along the bridge there between the cement wall and the pipe. So I can see the main pump line coming in here. Then we got another line coming here. And that's crazy. It's just solid wax and propolis. That's all propolis. Tarry stuff that they use to seal up holes and crevices that gaps and leaks into their hive. There we go. That's a good way to piss them off. So this hive appears to go down 1.5 feet. With these gloves, rather than getting stung, which I'm kind of used to, they're hitting it repeatedly, but they can't get through it. And it looks like their stingers don't even get stuck in it, which is nice. So this is rather nice. This is a pleasant experience, believe it or not. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Woo! Ow, ow, ow. Getting more stings though. Whee. Got 2 more that time. I'm gonna put on a second layer of gloves. I'm gonna try this again. Oh, there we go. What do we got? Ouch! Woo. Got me again through my pant leg that time. shit stings. Oh, it got me again. Oh, that's... I know some people will say that these things are supposed to be like good for your health and shit. F that. That's all I gotta say. Ow! Gosh, got me again in the leg. So you guys can't smell what I smell. Bees on my mess are actually emitting this smell. It's kind of like vanilla and bananas. Yeah, don't want to get stung in the legs. Ow! Got me again. Jesus Christ. Oh, that stings. Ow! Got stung in the leg. I think I'm at 10 now. They put their honeycomb around a spigot handle. That's why I'm having issues. Come on, come on. Just let me have it. Please. Please. I want to eat the honey. So I'm going to use a reciprocating saw. Cut through this line. Hopefully I can pull this out one big beautiful chunk. Maybe. Oh. Only the top was honey. Only that little bit right there was honey. The rest is brood. Well, that's okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, so you might be wondering why I call them girls. Girls, chicks, ladies. Ladies. Anyone of the finer sex, if you will. There's a reason behind it. Almost all the hive that you see in front of you right now, all these buggers, believe it or not, are ladies. Very few of them will be male. Whoop. More broodcomb, more pollen. You can see how straight they make their nest, though. That would have been right up against this concrete like that. It's just... I'm kind of at that point with my legs and my knees. I can't really tell if I'm getting new stings or not. Oh man, this stuff's tough. This is all new comb. This most likely would have become honey. Yep, pissed them off, that's for sure. Oh, well that was anticlimactic. Whew, you can see it dripping out. Oh wait, no, that's water from the pipe. Honey, 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 honey. Honey! More honey. Oh, that's the last of it. It's just a little bit more uncapped honey. Delicious. Alright, we are at the end. The end, I say. I swear it's supposed to look like this at the end. You can actually see where these girls, they did a lovely job of coating this spigot handle. I wonder if it still turns. I'll find out. Eventually. Ah, See all the ladies down in there that I'll have to get out. And this is all the comb that was in there. Say about 10 gallons. There's another bucket over there that's full of honey. So yeah, about 10 gallons of comb and hive all together.